Hello and welcome to this step-by-step video in which we will show you how to fix your water-wall dishwasher if it's not washing correctly. If your Samsung water-wall dishwasher is not providing the best wash results, these simple steps should help to resolve the problem. Firstly, ensure you are using a quality detergent suitable for dishwashers. The dishwasher also requires salt and rinse aid to get the best wash results and dry results. If the rinse aid symbol appears on the display, you need to add or top up rinse aid. Add rinse aid here. Use a quality product suitable for dishwashers. You will see a blue bubble appear in the window when the reservoir is full. You can also adjust the level of rinse aid dispensed to improve results. The dishwasher has a water softening technology to ensure the best quality wash results. If the wash performance is poor, check the salt level. If this symbol is showing on the control panel, you need to add salt. Please ensure you only use a specialty dishwasher salt. To add salt, remove the cap and use the funnel provided. After adding salt and rinse aid, we recommend you select Eco Wash and run the complete program to clean any residue and activate the water softening process. Remove and clean both filters regularly and ensure the filters are correctly fitted and locked into position. If the filters are not fitted correctly, small grit will appear on your items and may cause damage. Check the spray arm jets. If they are blocked, simply unscrew the spray arms, remove and clean. Blocked spray arms are usually caused by the filter not fitted or locked in place correctly. Check the vane and spray arms for obstructions from cutlery or other items. When loading, ensure nothing is obstructing the spray arms or vane. Remove the lower basket and check the vane is correctly in place. If it has come loose, check for any obstructions and clear and then clip back into place. That's it! You've just learned how to fix your water wall dishwasher if it's not washing correctly. For more information, please see our other available videos.